The autonomous vehicle revolution is hitting an inflection point in 2026. Level 3 and Level 4 systems are moving from testing to deployment, robotaxis are scaling in select cities, and consumer ADAS features are becoming standard. Edge computing is the unsung hero here, processing massive sensor data locally for ultra-low latency, safety-critical decisions, reduced bandwidth costs, and privacy. Cloud alone can't handle the split-second reactions needed for safe autonomy. Automakers and tech players are pouring billions into edge AI chips, sensors, and platforms. Partnerships with NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and others are accelerating, while regulatory progress and real-world miles logged are building confidence. This creates a massive TAM as vehicles become software-defined platforms requiring far more compute per car. For investors, edge computing leaders offer a blend of proven revenue growth, technological moats, and exposure to the multi-year AV-ramp. The urgency is clear: companies that master edge intelligence today will dominate tomorrow's mobility landscape. Today, I'm revealing 3 edge computing stocks powering this revolution. If you want to invest in the self-driving future, this is where the real money will be made. Stock number 1. NVIDIA, NVDA, the AI compute king driving autonomous platforms. NVIDIA stands at the center of the autonomous vehicle transformation with its Drive platform, which provides a comprehensive end-to-end solution spanning simulation, training, mapping, and in-vehicle edge inference. Its Jetson and Drive AG systems deliver the massive parallel compute required for running sophisticated neural networks that handle everything from object detection to predictive behaviors. This full-stack approach, hardware, software, CUDA ecosystem, and AI models creates a formidable moat that competitors struggle to replicate, as developers and OEMs build entire workflows around NVIDIA's tools. Recent financials underscore its dominance. In the most recent quarter, total revenue reached $81.6 billion, up 85% year-over-year, with data center at a record $75.2 billion. Edge computing revenue specifically hit $6.4 billion, growing 29% YoY, fueled by robust demand in automotive, robotics, and physical AI applications. Automotive contributions continue to expand as drive platforms power advanced autonomy programs. NVIDIA is ramping Blackwell architectures and has announced multiple partnerships for Robotaxi and flagship AV deployments, including targets for widespread Robotaxi operations across cities by 2028. Physical AI revenue, including robotics and autonomy, has surpassed $9 billion on a trailing basis. What sets NVIDIA apart is its ability to close the sim-to-real gap through advanced simulation and continuous learning from fleet data. This data flywheel improves models over time, creating compounding advantages in safety and performance. While the stock trades at a premium reflecting its AI leadership, the tangible progress in AV design wins, production ramps, and ecosystem lock-in supports conviction for long-term outperformance. NVIDIA isn't just enabling autonomy, it's defining the compute standards that will power billions of vehicle miles. In a market where milliseconds matter, its edge solutions are becoming indispensable. From the comprehensive compute leader, we naturally move to the company mastering efficient, automotive-grade integration for real-world deployment at scale. Stock number 2, Qualcomm, QCOM, the Snapdragon Edge powering connected autonomy. Qualcomm leverages its mobile heritage to deliver power-efficient, highly integrated edge solutions tailored for the automotive industry. Its Snapdragon Ride platform and Snapdragon digital chassis combine connectivity, cockpit experiences, and advanced driver assistance into cohesive systems that automakers can deploy across vehicle lines. This focus on performance per watt is crucial for production vehicles, where thermal management, power consumption, and cost constraints determine commercial viability. Latest results highlight accelerating momentum in automotive. In Q2 FY 2026, automotive revenue reached a record $1.33 billion, up 38% year-over-year, pushing the annualized run rate above $5 billion, with expectations to exit the year above $6 billion. Snapdragon Ride processors are now in over 1 million vehicles, and the 4th-generation digital chassis is winning designs for integrated ADAS and autonomy features. The company is seeing strong share gains, particularly in ADAS, with major partnerships including Volkswagen, Toyota, Hyundai, and Chinese EV makers like Li Auto. Expansions into robotics and industrial edge via Dragonwing processors further broaden its edge AI footprint. Qualcomm's strength lies in heterogeneous computing architectures that efficiently handle sensor fusion, computer vision, and decision-making on device. This reduces latency and bandwidth needs while enabling features like predictive maintenance and personalized experiences. As the industry shifts towards software-defined vehicles with zonal architectures, Qualcomm's scalable platforms position it to capture more content per vehicle. Risks include execution on newer data center ambitions and competition, but its automotive track record, growing run rate, and diversification provide a balanced, high-conviction growth story. Qualcomm is turning connectivity expertise into autonomy leadership, making it a key enabler for affordable, widespread self-driving features. Building on these processing platforms, the final pick focuses on the critical perception layer that feeds accurate, real-time data into edge decision engines. Stock number 3, Mobileye. MBLY, the vision and mapping pioneer for safe edge autonomy. Mobileye, backed by Intel, excels in camera-based computer vision, IQ chips, and high-definition mapping, core technologies for perception and localization at the edge. Its systems power millions of vehicles with advanced driver assistance and are scaling toward full autonomy through robust, cost-effective solutions that complement LiDAR and radar. While specific latest quarterly details show ongoing design wins and deployment progress, Mobileye continues expanding its footprint in production ADAS and Robotaxi programs. Its true redundancy approach and REM mapping database provide a data moat that improves over time with more miles driven. Recent momentum includes partnerships for Robotaxi services and broader OEM integrations, positioning it for growth as regulatory approvals and real-world validation advance in 2026. Edge computing is central to Mobileye's value, processing vision data locally for rapid object detection, lane keeping, and predictive behaviors without constant cloud dependency. This delivers lower latency and higher reliability. Challenges include competition and the need for continued R&D investment, but its proven scalability in consumer vehicles and expanding role in higher autonomy fleets create meaningful upside. Mobileye represents the bridge from today's ADAS to tomorrow's self-driving fleets through intelligent edge perception. Edge computing is the hidden engine making the 2026 autonomous vehicle revolution safe, scalable, and real. NVIDIA provides the powerful full-stack compute platform, Qualcomm delivers efficient integrated solutions for mass adoption, and Mobileye masters the critical perception and mapping layer that feeds decision-making at the edge. Together, they capture different parts of a rapidly expanding ecosystem driven by real technological progress, OEM commitments, and consumer regulatory demand. Risks remain: development timelines, regulatory hurdles, and competition, but the data points to accelerating adoption. These stocks blend growth, moats, and fundamental traction for investors seeking exposure to the future of mobility. Prioritize thorough research and portfolio fit. The AV Edge is sharpening fast. Which of these leaders are you watching closest? Share your thoughts below, like for more in-depth analysis, and subscribe to stay ahead. The road to autonomy is being built now. Let's invest wisely in it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.